This is the Happy Heart from Palmview Reborns. I bought 28 professionally recorded baby sounds and edited them together to make 4 different tracks. There's laughing for intense playtime, babbling contentedly, sleep time that starts with yawning and cooing, and ends with baby snores that gradually get slower and softer. There's a fussy track that starts with about a minute of fussiness and crying, and as you change her or comfort her, the sounds get more and more relaxed and content. Squeezing the heart stops the sound, and squeezing it again chooses randomly between one of the 4 tracks. You can let it randomly choose what mood your baby is in, or you can keep squeezing it if you're looking for one track in particular. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and you'll need a small screwdriver as well as a flathead or other flat object to open the back. I'll post in the description how you can order one.